Want to check your iPhone's location history? In this video, I'll show you where to find it and how to clear or disable it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services, then scroll to the bottom and select System Services. Now, tap Significant Locations. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once you're in, you'll see your recently saved locations under the Recent Records section. If you want to delete your location history, scroll to the bottom and tap Clear History, then tap Clear History again to confirm. If you don't want your iPhone to save your location history in the future, simply turn off the Significant Locations toggle at the top. Just keep in mind that some location-based features may not work as expected after disabling it. That's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.